Most people spend thousands protecting their paint, but completely ignore the most vulnerable piece of glass on their car.
Window tint and ExoShield may serve different purposes, but they share one thing in common. The final result is only as good as the preparation behind it. Long before either film touches the glass, every pattern is precisely cut, prepared on the peeling board, and carefully shrunk to ensure a perfect fit.
Shrinking is a critical step in both window tint and ExoShield installation. Without it, the film can develop fingers, lifting edges, tension points, or distortion that affects both appearance and long-term performance. On a highly curved windshield like this Mercedes AMG GTS, the process becomes even more challenging. The film must be carefully shaped to match the glass before installation, and with a thicker material like ExoShield, there is very little room for error. That's why experience and precision make all the difference. Now we move into the cleaning process. These days, there are many great brands of window tint and windshield protection films on the market, and honestly, a lot of them perform really well. But sometimes, the preparation is even more important than the film itself. Think about it. What good is a premium film if it ends up with dust, hair, bubbles, or contamination underneath? That's why at Xtreme, we take the cleaning process very seriously. A flawless installation starts with a perfectly clean surface. Now it's time for installation, and this is where every previous step starts to matter. A precise pattern, proper shrinking, thorough cleaning, and accurate alignment all play a major role in achieving a clean final result. If any of those steps are rushed, the installation becomes more difficult and the chances of imperfections increase. But when everything has been prepared correctly, the film lays down smoothly, conforms to the glass properly, and delivers the clean, seamless finish every customer expects. This is especially important with ExoShield. Because it's a thicker and more technical film than traditional window tint, there is very little room for error. That's why so much attention goes into the preparation process, because a premium windshield protection film deserves a premium installation. The final step is all about the details. At this point, both films are installed, but we're not done yet. We carefully shave the edges of the window tint to create the cleanest finish possible and make the film look as seamless as it can on the glass. For the ExoShield edge sealing process, we apply heat around the perimeter of the film to help activate and secure the adhesive near the edges. As the film settles, we carefully use a squeegee to push out any remaining moisture and ensure the edges are fully bonded to the glass. And just like that, this Mercedes AMG GTS leaves with a completely new level of comfort and protection. The window tint will help reduce heat, improve privacy, and make every drive more enjoyable, while the ExoShield windshield protection film is ready to take on the rocks, debris, and daily abuse that would normally reach the glass. From precise film preparation and meticulous cleaning to careful installation and edge finishing, every step was completed with one goal in mind: delivering the best possible result. Because premium films deserve premium installation. And when it comes to protecting your vehicle, doing it right the first time